So as I'm making for 2 servings, so here is the crushed corn. Crushed corn I have taken around 1/4 cup, and this is half cup of corn. So here I have kept the water for boiling. Now I am going to add the crushed corn. When I put the water for boiling, I also added 1 teaspoon of salt in it. For the yellow color, we can also add little bit of turmeric powder. So here goes the turmeric powder, little bit, only for the color. Now as this boils, let us chop 2 green chilies. Now I am adding the green chilies. Salt I already have given in it. Now let us grate few ginger and add in it. Very little ginger, only 1 stick ginger we will grate and we will add in this soup. Now it is time to add the corns and the carrot juliennes. I have taken only ½ inch of carrot because it's of 2 servings, so I am keeping less vegetables in it. This is the corn flour powder, that is 1 tablespoon corn flour powder I have taken, and I am adding ½ teaspoon of pepper powder in this. I am going to make a slurry of this with water, and then we are going to add it in the soup. So now I am adding the slurry in this. As I add the slurry, I will keep on stirring it because the corn flour has the tendency to stick at the bottom. And pepper powder, don't add the pepper powder in this boiling soup because lumps will be formed. So it's better to add the pepper powder along with the corn flour and then make the slurry. Let the carrots and the corn get boiled. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Let us add little bit of salt. Salt is to taste, so you can taste your soup and then you can increase the amount of salt if you need. So this thickness is enough for the soup. If you want, you can boil the corns and the carrots separately and then you can add it in the soup because carrot takes a long time to get boiled. So here it is 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1½ teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix it well and switch off the gas. Our veg corn soup is ready to be served. You can have it with bread toast or soup bread.